Super Easy Drawings.
Hello everyone, and welcome to the Super Easy Drawings channel.
Today we are going to draw and color a cute cat and a dog.
Let's start drawing.
Now I show you how to draw a dog easily. I start with its cute eyes. The oval-shaped nose, and his mouth with his tongue out. I draw the shape of his head, and his two long ears on both sides of his head. First, I draw his front legs. She is going to sit. Finally, his tail. Let's draw the cat. I draw the shape of her head and her triangular ears. I start with her cute eyes. Her nose and her little mouth. Now I draw her body. These are her front legs. She is also going to sit. And her long tail. Finally, I add some patches here. And also on her chest. How cute! Finally, draw some hearts in the background. Which animal do you like more, cats or dogs? I love them both. They are very cute. I like this.
Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring.
Let's color the doggy. I color his tongue light red. I use this cream marker for the face. I'm going to use this dark brown marker. Dogs can be of various colors, so you can choose your favorite and let your imagination run wild. I colored the rest of his body with this lighter shade of brown. Let's color the cat. I'm going to use this pink marker for the nose, red. I color the fluffy body with this gray marker. Cats can be various colors, like brown, black, white, or mixed, so you can color yours however you want. Black. I'm going to use the colors of the rainbow. I start with the color red here, like this. Then I use orange, yellow, then light green, light blue, purple, pink, fuchsia, red, orange. Cool!
If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.